Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how to fix Chai app not working. So if you're also having problems that your Chai app is not working right now and you want to be able to fix this, well then this video is going to be perfect for you. So what I did myself is that I firstly closed my Chai app and instead I went into the settings app on my phone. So now on my settings app, then what I did in here is that I just scrolled down and then I clicked where it says general. So I clicked on general, and as you can see, you should now be taken to this page, which is perfect. So now what you're going to do on this page is to just scroll down, and then you're going to click where it says storage in here. And now we're just going to simply wait a couple of seconds for this page to completely load. So we're just going to wait a couple of seconds, and now when it's done, you can see all the apps in here are now finished loading. So you're just going to scroll up like this to be able to make it simpler to find the Chai app. You're going to click on the search bar here, search for Chai as you can see, and then click on the Chai app. Now you're just going to click on Offload app, and once again click on Offload app in here, and we're just going to wait a couple of seconds and then click on the blue button here once again. So now you're just going to simply wait for your Chai app to completely update to its latest version. So when the update is finished, you can just go back into the app, and this actually fixed it for me. So I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.